Hey, thanks so much for joining. I'm Joe Peterson. I am the Vice President of Cloud and Security for Clarify 360. I'm also the Principal Analyst at ClearTech Research. And today I'm here on behalf of the CTO Advisor and their Cloud Everyday series. And we're talking about GCP Cloud Security, talking about the Mandiant family of products, which was acquired by Google in September of 2022. And today we're here to chat about ransomware defense assessment. So, ransomware and multifaceted extortion have become the top threats for organizations of all shapes and sizes. This multi-billion-dollar industry can cripple business operations for days or months. Ransomware attackers have intensified their missions by threatening vital data and impacting infrastructure at such a level that is deemed a national security threat in certain parts of the world. Ransomware tradecraft continues to mature as attackers now deploy more manual and targeted attacks and forego automated script and self-spreading malware. It's imperative that security teams develop stronger defenses against this critical threat. The Mandiant Ransomware Defense Assessment uses a combination of workshops, technical reviews, and attacker simulation exercises to offer an expert evaluation of the existing technical and operational security controls. The goal is to effectively prevent, detect, contain, and respond to the deployment of ransomware and multifaceted extortion attacks in your specific environment. So, after the assessment is complete, Mandiant delivers recommendations to help minimize the likelihood, impact, and cost of a ransomware incident for your organization. And since no two organizations are alike and attackers are continually changing their techniques, Mandiant experts create customized, actionable implementation priorities to help your organization achieve a ransomware resilient security program. So the ransomware defense assessment is delivered through three core evaluations: their operational capability assessment, the adversary detection assessment, and then a configuration and architecture assessment. And the benefits to these are understanding the organization's true exposure to sophisticated modern ransomware attacks, uncovering existing operational deficiencies of your program today that's going to be targeted by ransomware threat actors, identifying specific organizational assets at higher risk of being affected by ransomware attacks. You can receive actionable technical and strategic recommendations to reduce the likelihood and impact of ransomware attacks and improve your overall resilience to protect your critical assets. You can prioritize budgets, investments, and resources then to effectively combat those attacks. If you like my content, ring my bell on my profile so that you're the first to see my post. Follow me on Twitter at ClearTech Today. Follow me on YouTube at ClearTech Research. Or if you need cloud security or cybersecurity sourcing assistance, Clarify 360 has you covered. Thanks for joining.